I want to tell you about a great product. This is the 2-in-1 Smart Toothbrush and Flosser all-in-one. Now, don't we all need one less thing on our counter? And we need a really great electric toothbrush, and we need a really good, compact, well-designed flosser. This is the answer to both of those. Now, this is really good for if you have braces, if you have gum sensitivity, if you need really good, gentle cleaning on your teeth, and if you have bad breath that you need to work on. Now, this is a great product. Let me show you all the pieces and I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. This was provided for me for my honest opinion, and I super sold out on this toothbrush flosser all-in-one. Now, this is the base, and it comes with these different heads. This is the charging base, and this is the base of the machine. Now, it comes with this flosser. It comes with 3 different heads, so you can use it for a few different people. And it also comes with a terrific cleaner that's suited just for this, and it has a cap that fits on top of here that also serves as a mouthwash cup and the water holder for the flosser. Let me demonstrate it for you. So you will see that you have this very compact, very slim design. It comes with the cord also, and the cord fits in a USB port, and it's easily chargeable. It takes up very little space on your countertop. Now, here is the base. I have charged it, and this is how we operate it. You simply take off this charging base, let's on the counter, just lift it up, and here's your base that you're gonna work with. We're gonna first brush our teeth, so I'm gonna put on one of these toothbrushes, just slips right on there, and here is the on button, and you have 3 modes: a gentle, a medium, and a hyper cleansing that pulses. Really great clean for your teeth, and you can pick the one you like, and it has a sticker right on here to remind you what each press is for. A single press to this mode button switches the modes. So let's get started. My teeth feel great. I love the way it feels. It has done a super clean job on my teeth. I love that this brush is so gentle, and look at these different modes as it goes through. You can hear the difference in the pulses. Okay, now we're gonna switch over to the flosser. All in one device, right when you're brushing your teeth, that's when you wanna floss. Simply pull the head off, and look at this super cool design. The bottom here is a metal pipe. This metal pipe just slips down, and you slip it into the cup, the base, and it's filled with water from your tap, and then it slips in there and serves as a fuselage to get the water into your teeth. Now, here's the beautiful part. You can use the traditional flosser, which I like. Let me show you how that works. I'm gonna have my little rag handy. Now, when you're bent over the sink, you can just let that water fall out naturally by just opening and closing your lips. Super handy, but watch what I really like. When you use it with the toothbrush, you are flossing and brushing at the same time. Love that. Very efficient, very good way to clean your teeth, to floss and brush at the same time. Look at this amazing thing. Again, when you're over your sink, you can just let that water fall out. But let me just tell you, there is no clean like flossing and brushing at the same time. I feel like I've just been to the dentist and had a super dental cleaning. This is a great product. Now, let me show you the one final step. When you're finished flossing, you simply push this pipe back in, and you will use this same piece as your dust protector. You will take the head off, and you will use this very same piece as your dust protector, and you slip it back onto the base, onto your countertop, charging for the next time. It does hold a very long charge. You don't need to charge it every day, but if you want to keep it in the same place with the plug in place, you can do that. And then you have your extra attachments and a little tray, and you are ready to go for next time. This is a wonderful product. I highly recommend this super 2-in-1 flosser brusher that was provided for me, for my honest opinion. I'm sold. I think you will be too.